Oh, the beach, that is, not the bench. Where did I read that? Did I read that one? And trick or heat. The Daily Star there reports that the UK's heatwave will burn until Halloween.
Hello, we have a very warm week of weather in prospect. In fact, it could turn out to be some of the warmest weather of the year so far. The highest temperature we recorded over the summer was all the way back in June at 32.2 Celsius. This week, we are expected to get to 30 Celsius, but some places could get just a little bit warmer than that. Certainly some very warm or even hot weather in the outlook, with plenty of strong sunshine, but just a little bit of mist and fog here and there.
And are you going to say the Scorchio word for us this morning, Carol?
Good morning.
Absolutely, Sal. Good morning, both. Good morning to you. It is going to be Scorchio for some of us as we go through this week. In fact, we're starting this morning on a very warm note. For example, in Cornwall, in Cardinham, the temperature is just short of 20 degrees. It's 19.8 Celsius. Mumbles, 18. Kinloss, 16. But in Newcastle, a cooler 9.
Hello there, good morning. Well, just as many of our schools go back for the start of the autumn term, it's going to feel an awful lot more like summer. It's dry, it's warm and it's settled, and it's all set to last for much of the week, with temperatures climbing day on day too.
Really quite a beautiful day across many parts of the country yesterday. Carol can tell us what it's going to be like today. Morning, Carol.
Morning.
Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. Well, Sal, when we lose this morning's mist and fog, it's going to be another beautiful day for many of us. You can see we've got some thick fog, though, in Northern Ireland. It's not just in Northern Ireland, it's southwest Scotland, Northern England, Wales, and the southeastern quarter as well.
You may have noticed it's looking a little warmer this week. Carol has all the details we need to know, because summer's finally arrived, it feels like, Carol. Good morning.
September.
Certainly has, yes. The irony of that, of course, is that we're now in the meteorological autumn. But you're quite right, Ben.
And Carol, is it summer in September?
Morning.
It certainly is, Sal. Yes. Good morning, both. Good morning to you too. Many of us actually starting the day with blue skies, as you can see from our Weather Watchers picture in Pembrokeshire. It's Wednesday that we think somewhere in the south could hit 31 degrees, and that is something we're keeping a close eye on. But it's going to be warm, dry and sunny wherever you are. Away from the east coast, we'll have a little bit more low cloud at times, Sal and Ben.
Carol, I love it when you say those words. Warm, sunny, dry. That's all I need to hear.
You don't hear it often, do you, Ben?
Just going to say, it doesn't happen often. We need to make the most of it.
Thanks, Carol. Carol can probably say it better than I can.
Who would have thought it? September and summer arrives.
Morning.
I know, isn't that typical?
Yeah.
Good morning, both. To give you a kind of an idea of what it's been like in the meteorological summer of June, July and August, the highest temperature we saw was in June, 32.2 Celsius. But this week, we could potentially challenge that temperature with 31, possibly 32, maybe a little bit more. It's something we are keeping a very close eye on.